To access Page Creator, sign into your personalized video account and navigate using the left-hand menu. In your dashboard, you'll notice a few landing page templates. Pick the template that best suits your campaign and use case. Let's build our first landing page using the compact template. You'll notice that editable elements will highlight when you scroll over them. To start, let's give this landing page a name. Next, we'll upload a logo by clicking directly on the logo element. You can adjust the logo size and alignment as needed. To edit the page title, click the title element. Choose a font or upload your own, and adjust your font size and color. Now we'll edit our page background. Choose a solid color or upload your own image. For non-personalized interactive videos, you can add your Idomoo generated URL to embed your video into this landing page. Edit, add, or remove CTAs by clicking on each element. Adjust your text and add your link. Adjust the size, style, and alignment for your CTAs, social icons, and sharing links. Use the Page Elements dropdown to add or remove page elements. To make sure your landing page looks correct, click the preview icon to view it as a full web page. When you're satisfied with your page appearance, click Get Link to generate an automatic domain, then click Save. To test the URL, click View. If everything looks good, click Page Creator on the top left to navigate back to your dashboard. We can see our new landing page here, with a green dot indicating the page is live. To build another landing page, just choose a new template.